All right, so we're doing a little bit of freestyle flight today. First time flying freestyle in about, I want to say a month. Flying for reviews don't really count, but this should be fun. We're gonna be running the quad Mela frames with the O3 air unit. I got the new Boxer radio just recently, so let's go ahead and get it up in the air. Got one casualty.
It's not serious till you turn your hat backwards, man.
That's it. Backwards hat guy. There it goes. It's coming down. Hey.
Yeah.
Handles the crash like a champ. All right. So where are we at battery wise now? We've charged 6 batteries. 6 batteries, we're at 45%. That one's almost charged. So.
Charging at 1C?
No, I'm charging them at 3 amps.
Oh, okay.
So I'm like blast charging them. It's doing pretty good. I'm down to 45%. So I think this will charge probably 8 or 9 batteries, which is perfect. So I only brought 4 of them with me.
Oh, well, yeah, that's all you really need.
That's all I need.
That's what your car does with the power.
Alrighty, that is that. That was actually pretty fun to go fly. That was actually a really nice spot. The wind was blowing just subtly, kept it cool. We were in the shade, didn't damage anything, and honestly, everything just flew awesome. The only downside to my rig is the fact that I don't have any voltage displaying. So I gotta sort of be careful how long I'm flying. I have a timer. Well, I have a timer set up on the old RC. I probably need to reset that timer for the Boxer so I know exactly how long I'm flying. But yeah, super fun time. I'm gonna go head back to the studio, upload this footage. Maybe this will be Monday's video. I'm not really sure. That would be pretty cool to do another, you know, sort of like an FPV style video. Quadmilla frames. The EcoFlow River actually did pretty good. I don't like reviewing those things, but I will definitely give it a solid thumbs up if you're looking to charge something without being, you know, like right near something like, you know, like batteries needing charge. It definitely did good. It charged about 8 of those batteries, and I'm at 45% before I'll need to recharge that. So I think that's pretty good, very acceptable. I'll see you in the next video. Stay original. Gonna have to change your name to Digital Dan.
Yeah, actually that used to be my sound service. Digital Dan Sim Entertainment Service.
Digital Dan.